Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with breaking news, and this time it looks like we have the official confirmed release date for the DJI FPV drone. So you don't want to miss out on today's video. It's going to be a very exciting one. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep up to date with the latest drone news. And also, we're close to 5,000 subscribers, so make sure that you help us get there. We're almost at our goal of 5,000. Come on, I know we can do it. The Drone Emotion family grows stronger every single day. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a very exciting one. Today my friends, it looks like we have the confirmed release date for the DJI FPV drone. If you missed our last video where we talk about the confirmed prices for the DJI FPV drone accessories, make sure you check it out. It's a really good video. But thanks to all of the info that we got, thanks to the German Amazon, where all of those FPV drone accessories were leaked as well with its price, there was also something very important piece of information, and that was that all of these accessories that we talk about in that video, they are going to be released on March 2nd of 2021. So I think that could very well be the official release date for the DJI FPV drone, and I couldn't be more excited because let's talk a little bit about it. So will it make sense for DJI to release all of the FPV drone accessories, let's say on March 2nd as it says, and then to release, I don't know, 5 days later the drone? I don't think that will make sense, because in all of previous DJI drone releases, they released the drone as well as with all of the accessories at the same time. So this can only mean one thing, my friends. I think that the FPV drone release date is confirmed, and I think it will be happening on March 2nd of 2021. Okay, so that's some very exciting news. Okay, so looks like FPV drone March 2nd. We still are missing the confirmed post from DJI, the classical, where they have us that image teased with the official release date and time. So we still are missing that. And as soon as we have that, don't worry, we're going to be sharing that info here with all of you in the channel. But it looks like March 2nd is going to be the day, my friends. So mark your calendars. I think that's going to be a Tuesday. So we're getting close, my friends. Get ready, because the FPV drone is about to get here. That's all I got for all of you today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.